Are you afraid of memory loss? Essential fatty acids, or EFAs, omega-3s, including DHA and EPA, and omega-6s, are some of the most widely known and researched nutritional ingredients. Omega-3s have an incredible well of research supporting their use for brain, heart, and joint health. So how do omega-3 fatty acids support brain health? According to Dr. Morton Bryn, a known cardiologist, scientific advisor, and lecturer in the field of therapeutic uses of omega-3 fatty acids, brain health is perhaps the most important category for current omega-3 fatty acid research. We know that brain cell membranes are saturated with the marine omega-3 fatty acid, DHA, which has different local functions. DHA prevents development of amyloid formation. Amyloid formation refers to plaque that forms in the brain. This plaque clogs the brain cells and their pathways as seen consistently in Alzheimer's disease. Omega-3s help to reduce the inflammatory process initiated by amyloid and support the function of the brain. A small subset of one clinical study of 32 subjects with mild cognitive dysfunction showed a significant reduction in memory decline rate when consuming omega-3 fatty acids. A separate study of fish oil supplementation for 12 months in 18 elderly subjects showed improved cognitive function as compared to the placebo group. They showed significant improvement in short-term and working memory, immediate verbal memory, and delayed recall capability. Fish oil was well tolerated. These two separate randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trials showed that omega-3s not only demonstrated positive effects on memory decline in a small group of patients with very mild Alzheimer's disease, but also DHA improves short-term and working memory, immediate verbal memory, and delayed recall capability in older people with mild cognitive impairment. Findings further showed that DHA was able to be transferred to the cerebral fluid and reduce the amount of plaque and inflammation. It is important to realize that severe memory dysfunction cannot be reversed, but if measures are taken, including nutritionally fortifying the diet, some memory decline can be diverted. The brain acts similarly to a muscle. It needs to be exercised regularly to function optimally. There are ways to exercise the brain as well as other behaviors to practice regularly to keep it healthy. For example, read and do some stimulating mental exercises, such as crossword puzzles. Play thought-provoking games, such as Scrabble, cards, checkers, chess, and word games. Eat fresh green foods and color-rich vegetable and fruits. They contain lots of antioxidants. Exercise regularly to keep optimal circulation to the brain. Include Life Farm dietary supplements in your daily regimen. Omega-3 Plus helps replenish the omega-3 fatty acids used by the body for multiple functions. In addition, Immune 3 Plus should be taken daily. It is a source of superior vitamin C and other antioxidant-rich ingredients, all of which work to help prevent free radical damage.